Inside your EVE or AEVA, you're going to find a few different types of cords. You'll find your light cords. So you'll see these running out from underneath your light, and they've got two quick connects here that run to the cords and timers. So I'm going to start by just letting those dangle. You're also going to find your pump timer, which is this black box here. This is preset, nothing you need to do with it, and your power cord. So as well, I'm going to disconnect this right away, put these to the side, and then we're going to take out our reservoir. So it just slides down and out, and the pump comes out as well. And then the next step for us is going to be putting this aside and running our cords through. So I'm going to take my light cords, run them through the back hole of your EVE or your AEVA so they can go to the cords. Pull those through. Then your pump cord where you disconnected it, that goes through the back as well. You're good to go on to the next step, which is going to be filling your reservoir. When you're filling your reservoir, you're going to want to fill it up to the top of this window here. And at minimum, you want to make sure the pump is covered, so make sure the water doesn't dip below the bottom of that window there. When filling your reservoir, aim to fill it with cold tap water. You can either fill it just with a jug, like we've got here, pouring it one by one. This is usually how I do it when I've got my EVE or AEVA running and I don't want to take it out. Or you can bring the whole reservoir to your sink and fill it there. Now that we've got our reservoir filled up, we're going to put it into our unit. So to get it in, drop the pump back in through the top, and then simply slide your reservoir in, pushing any cords to the side, and just make sure that that drain hose at the back is running into your reservoir there. So once that's in, you can push the pump all the way in and arrange the cords how you'd like. There you go, the reservoir is ready and set up to run.